Okay, so this will be a short demo on how to update the product information. So to log in, you're going to go to riptide.resonate.com/wpadmin. That'll bring you to your login screen here, and I've already sent you over some login information. And when you log in, you're going to come to the WordPress dashboard. Now for product information, you're going to want to go down to products right here underneath WooCommerce and click on that. And this is going to bring up a list of all the products that are listed on the site. Now there's quite a few. There's 55 right now, and then obviously there's lots of variations of each product. So what make things simpler is if you go to select a category, and then you can narrow things down. So if you want to see all the Riptide Premium products, you can click here and then filter. And if you want to get even more specific and you want to say, okay, just show me the Riptide, let's see, show me the original cable wrap products, then you can click that and hit filter. Okay, now you're going to notice price says $3.99 because right now I have set the price on every single product to the same. And you're also going to notice the SKU here is just a single letter. So this is set up so that as you add the variations like width and color and pack size, that it adds those numbers on to the end to create a longer SKU for the full product. But I'm going to show you also how you can create a custom SKU for each product, because I know some products don't actually follow that format all the way through. So let's click Edit under 2-inch wide original cable wrap. And now we come to the product detail page. So first off, the description that's up here is going to be what shows up underneath the product. So I'm going to open this up in a new tab so that we can see them side by side. So down here is the product description, and that information is contained here. Now the shorter description, which is this section here, from demo video up to for orders larger than 5-pack, that information is actually contained down below here under the short description. So the product short description is what comes first, and then at the bottom is the long product description. Now you can change, so if you want to use the other color chart, you can click the little pencil here and go to replace. And then there's also a file here for the neon colors. So if you choose this one here, it includes neon colors. If you choose this one, it's just the standard colors. Over on the right, you can check the boxes next to which colors are available for this particular product set. Down on the bottom right, you can see the product image for this product, and then there's also a gallery with some additional images. And those show up here. So this is the main product image. And then if you click to the right, it scrolls through the gallery. And you can also click them down here. And you can see colors show up here as the long list of colors. And then you can see the length and the number of units. So I'm going to show you now how to change these around. And if you choose a combination, you'll see that the SKU appears down here. So for example, E is the general SKU for all of the 2-inch wide original cable wraps. 12 is because it's the 12-inch length. 1 PK is because we've got a 1-pack, and RD is the code for red. So that's set up to automatically assemble these SKUs, but you can also overwrite that with your specific SKUs, because I know not every product follows that format. So to do that, what you do is you come down here to product data. So underneath the main description, you'll see product data, and you're going to go down to attributes. And so we have length and number of units. So these are the different options for length that are available, and these are the different number of units. So if you wanted to add 5 packs, you could enter 5. If you want to add a 10-pack, you can enter 10. These are all stored from a list that I created under attributes here on the left. I don't think you're going to need to mess with this, but just in case you ever do, over here on the left is attributes. Now under variations, what a variation is it's a combination of attributes. So a variation would be, for example, 12-inch length with a 1-pack. Another variation would be 30-inch length with a 1-pack. Now because we only have one type of unit numbers, the variations are pretty straightforward. You've got these 5 lengths with this number of units. So you have 5 variations. If we had 2 different options down here, so let's say we have a 3-pack, that means that we'd actually have 10 different variation options. Because you could have 12 with 1, 18 with 1, 24 with 1, 30 with 1, 36 with 1, and then another set of variations, which is 12 and 3, 18 and 3, and so forth. So then I'm going to go down to the Variations tab on the left, and this is where you see all of those variation options. So this column here shows the lengths, this shows the packs, and like I mentioned, we have 5 variations. Now if I go over here to the right and click this little arrow, now you can see some of the details here that you might want to be changing. So first off, the regular price is where you're going to enter the price for this particular combination. And then SKU is where you can enter the SKU for this particular combination. And again, color is done separately because color does not affect price. So the color is separate. But here you can go in and set up any specific SKU that you want to go along with this particular product. You may want to include weight for the product. If it seems like a lot of the products you have are very low weight, so I don't know if it'll affect shipping. But while you're going in here editing these, you may want to change the weight. Further down, if you want to change any of these descriptions, you can. This link points to the distributor locator page. This little demo video link we're going to input videos for all these, so you don't want to mess with that yet, but this will be where all the URLs for the YouTube videos go. So all you do is click this little pencil, and then you can change the link that this points to for the YouTube video showing how to operate the product. So I think that's it. I think that's all the things that you might want to do to change around details about a product. So if you have any questions, just let me know.